said, I'm not number one. The number one is fucking hiding right now. She turned off her whole ranking. And the last time I checked, I don't even got enough to pass the number one. So let's just be frank here. I'm not being disrespectful, but if there is somebody that you should try to talk to, that should be the fucking number one. Why are you picking on the number two? Did you lost a fucking screw us up? Stop it. I don't like it. If y'all hate me so much, ban me for no reason. Y'all always do it. You guys always ban me for my voice. That was given to me by God. I don't got no mic down in here, but I got a lot of pain in here. And that's what you hearing now. Pain, regrets, mistake, and you can't take it away from me. And if you hate me this much, ban my account. Because y'all will never, ever, ever see me again. Oh, my mama. Ban me again. I'm not going to end my shit and then jump on but like some dumb bitch. It's time for me to boss up. It's time for me to do what I need to do. Y'all telling me to get off for no reason. If somebody should get off, I'm not number one. I'm number two. That bitch fucking hiding. That bitch turned her ranking off because she dumb. Go and knock on her fucking door while you over here. Oh, you fucking the number one? She fucking you? She sucking your pussy? She sucking your dick? What's up? She's the only person that should come number one. I shouldn't come number one because what? I'm a clown? I'm a clown on TikTok? I wear a red nose? Oh, I'm ugly. My mouth's lean? Is it because I fixed my face? It's not lean anymore? Does it bother you? Is it my big mouth? Is it my figure? What is it? Talk to me. Is it my confidence? What you trying to do to me? Huh? What you trying to do? What you trying to do to me? Huh? Why are you doing that? What's wrong with you? Why are you doing that? Stop it. I don't like it. You're getting on my last nerve. If you have a problem with me, show me a sign. Don't just give me a permanent ban, because motherfucker, if you ban me today, I'm on another account today. Because I'm never going to stop. And if you ban my fucking IP, I'm going to buy another phone tomorrow. I'm never going to fucking stop. Period. So what you going to do? What's it going to be? What's it going to be? It's time for me to boss up. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to shame y'all. And you know, a day's going to come. Y'all going to say, you know, little Jamaican girl with the loud mouth. I kind of miss that bitch. Because you know what? That bitch won't be anywhere around here. I'm going to be busy getting my money. And y'all going to begin to really miss me then. But you know what? I'm gonna look into things and say, y'all were kind of cool, but y'all some pussies at the end of the day. At the end of the day, y'all pussies. Because, no way you put me on the budget, but you didn't put that bitch on the budget. But you put me on the budget, though. Why am I on the budget if she not on the budget? What? She doing something better than me? What she doing? What is it? What? I'm ugly? I'm too ugly for this shit? I'm not worth it? Huh? What is it? Talk to me. Say something. I don't read minds. I got blood and a heart that runs through me. I'm a human as fuck. I'm human. I don't read minds. But I know something. Somebody is picking on me. And y'all need to stop. If you here and you don't like me, get the fuck off my shit. Why are you over here? What's wrong with you? Get off my shit. Speed the fuck out of here. Skirt, motherfucker. Skirt, motherfucker. Get out. Dumb prick. What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do? Get out my shit. Why are you over here if you don't like me? Fuck you. Stupid nigga. Stupid bitch. Get the fuck out my shit. Stupid ass. Get out here.